A significant jump in the number of measles cases in the U.S. has that country on track for a record-breaking year. Some 2 decades after U.S. officials declared measles eliminated, meaning the virus is no longer present year-round. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention saying today 555 measles cases have been confirmed since January. That number up by nearly 20% from the week before, making the total second only to 2014, when 667 cases were reported in the entire year. The measles virus is highly contagious and can lead to deadly complications, particularly in children. 20 states have reported cases this year, nearly 2/3 of them in New York, mainly confined to Orthodox Jewish communities, and spread mostly among school-aged children whose parents declined to get them vaccinated over religious beliefs. In response, New York City Mayor Bill de Blasio declared a public health emergency in parts of Brooklyn last week, requiring unvaccinated people living in the affected areas to get the vaccine or face fines.
The only way to stop this outbreak is to ensure that those who have not been vaccinated get the vaccine. The measles vaccine works. It is safe, it is effective, it is time tested.
The mayor of New York, what he's trying to do, I think is inappropriate to try and break this cycle of a very serious outbreak.
The director of infectious diseases at the American National Institutes of Health is calling on religious leaders to encourage their communities to get the measles vaccine.
When the percentage of the population that is unvaccinated or unprotected goes below a certain critical level, particularly with something like measles, which requires a high degree of protection, you need 93 to 95% of the population needs to be vaccinated and protected to put what we call an umbrella of protection over the community, which is called herd immunity. When that critical level goes below a certain level, then you have an outbreak.
So what's the situation here in Canada? According to the latest numbers from officials, there have been 33 confirmed cases of measles here in our country so far this year.